last night and I was just too tired to finish. I just had a lot going on last night. And so I'm just finishing this bottom layer today. But it's starting to firm up and get clumpy. You know, you can kind of see little clumps forming, and it's looking a little bit lumpier. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that on camera. So anyway, it's getting close. This is just it cooling, starting to cool and solidify in the container. And I want my embeds to sit up high enough. I don't want them to sink too far down because then you won't be able to see them. So I'm letting this get to a place where it's cooled enough that they will sit up on the surface. And that's just a process of getting it there. All right, we're getting closer. And I might try, oh, I don't know if I want to try it yet because there's still some soupy around the edge. But it will firm up really, really quick at the end here. And see how do you see the difference? How it starts to get more slimy looking. And, ew. Okay, I'm starting to see it now. Okay, now I'm gonna start moving fairly quickly. And that one, see that one sucked down too far. This one on the edge will stick up though. But it will, oh, see, it's all ready. See, once you stop moving it around, it gets ready to, and then you just gotta move really quick to get these pieces in. They almost won't stick in. Move quickly, Skeleton head. That's why I lined up my, there we go. I lined up my pieces so that I had them in order before I went, because this part, you have to move quickly. You just have to. Oh, come on. There we go. There's a bone. And let's get this. It's running out the top. Oh, and I'll clean that up in a second. Get these guys in. So, let's see if let me just clean this up. And you can just trim your edges, you know, with your soap. That's what I do if I have a little overspill. Oh, and then I've got to add glitter. Very, very important. Got to get the glitter going while it's still a little bit wet. And this is a Martha Stewart glitter. It's called Crystal Fine. And this is my favorite one to put on top because it's just enough where you can see through it, but it doesn't mess up the look. Sometimes soaps, if you put a colored glitter on it, I feel like it can overpower your soap. But if you look at that, look how cute. Look how cute. So I just have to let this set, and then I will cut it. My favorite part is cutting, because then you get to see what it looks like. Ooh, and this guy's skeleton head, I pushed it down too far. I'm gonna see if I can pull it up. Oh, yes, yes. See, sometimes you can fix this stuff when you see it. There we go. Because that head needs to be poking out. Let's put a little more glitter on top of that. Let's see. See, his head was way too far down. So there's a little bit of movement in there still, but I mean, you gotta move quick on this part. All right, and I will post the video of me cutting when I get this done.